Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable one-handed mode and how to use it on Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. To enable one-handed mode, go to Settings, then go to Advanced Features and enable one-handed mode. You can click on it to choose which action will trigger one-handed mode. It can either be a gesture, so when you swipe down at the bottom of your screen, it will make your screen go into one-handed mode, or when you set it to button, then double tapping on home button will do it. I'm gonna set it to gesture, and now I'm gonna explain how to use it. To use it, swipe down like that, and this allows you to access your screen with your thumb. So when I'm holding it in one hand, you can see that everything's accessible. You can click here to switch sides. You can click here to place it higher or lower. And you can hold on the edges like that to resize it, and you can just use it as you normally would use your phone. And if you want to exit one-handed mode, just click on the free space and it exits one-handed mode. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.